Hello everyone, welcome to Panda Power Education. In previous class, we already discussed definition of motion and its types. Next, uniform motion and non-uniform motions. Next, distance and displacement. Due to some camera problem, I can discuss those things. Okay. Now, today I'll discuss speed, average speed, uniform speed, and regarding some problem. Okay. So, what is speed? Speed is total distance travel a body if a body total distance travel for unit time. If a body travel, just write down, it is the distance travel for unit time. Then I am taking here distance how much s and time is t. So speed is v. V is equal to distance travel per unit time. So v is equal to speed, s is equal to distance, t is equal to time. So I am taking the SI unit of speed is meter per second. But why I am taking unit meter per second? Because distance unit is meter, time unit is second. That's why meter per second or kilometer per hour. Then it is a scalar quantity. Why it is called scalar quantity? Because distance is a scalar quantity, time also is scalar quantity. So that's why speed is a scalar quantity. Why scalar quantity means it has only magnitude and no direction. Got it? So now here I am taking here this one is the speed. Now I am giving some example. A body travel 200 meter in 20 seconds. Then what is the speed? Speed is equal to v is equal to s divided by t. Then s how much? 200 and t is equal to 20. That is how much? 10 meter per second. Got it, students? That type of example is here. Another example I am taking. A body travel distance 200 to 1000 meter in 2 hours. In 2 hours. Got it? So what is the speed of the body? So I am taking v is equal to s divided by t. T is 2, but here s is in meter but t is in hour. But we require kilometer per hour or meter per second. So I am converting 2000 meter into kilometer. So 2000 meter is 2 kilometer. 2000 meter is equal to how much? 2 kilometer. Got it? And here t is equal to 2 hour. So now s is 2 and t is 2. Then it is 1 kilometer per hour. Got it? How I can write here speed? You have to just analysis. Then now I'll go average speed. Now I'll go average speed. So write down, it is the total distance traveled divided by total time taken to cover the distance. Write down in notes. It is the total distance traveled. Average speed is equal to total distance travel divided by total time taken. Total time taken. Got it, students? This is called average speed. That means I am telling here a body traveling 2 meter in 2 seconds. Then next interval, body travel 4 meter in 4 seconds, 6 meter in 2 seconds, like this. Here, what is the average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance here 2 meter plus 4 meter plus 6 meter divided by total time 2 plus 2 second plus 4 second plus 2 second. How much? 2 plus 4 6 plus 6 12 divided by 2 2 4 4 8. Okay, so now cancel 3 by 2 meter per second. Unit, you would always write unit. So 3 by 2 meter, 1.5 meter per second. Got it? This is the average speed. If any doubt, please comment. Now we are going to uniform speed. Uniform speed. Uniform speed. Write down in your note what is uniform speed. If a body travel equal distance in equal interval of time. If a body travel equal distance in equal interval, equal distance in equal interval of time. Equal distance in equal interval of time is known as uniform speed. Got it? That means why it is called uniform speed? If a body travel equal distance in equal interval of time. That means a body starts here A to B, moving A to B 2 kilometer in 1 hour, then 2 kilometer in 1 hour, then 2 kilometer in 1 hour. That is called uniform speed, because this body is moving equal distance in equal interval of time. Got it? So this is called uniform speed. Now we are going to a simple problem. Problem number 1. Write down. A car travels 30 kilometer. A car travels 30 kilometer. A car travels 30 kilometers at a uniform speed. At a uniform speed. At a uniform speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Of 40 kilometer per hour. Got it? And the next 30 kilometer and the next 30 kilometer at a uniform speed of at a uniform speed of 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour. Find its average speed. Got it? Find its average speed. Very simple. Just pause the video and do this. Here I am taking the solution. Just see. First case. Case 1. A car travel 30 km at a uniform speed 40 km per hour. So here distance, he covered the distance S1 30 km and speed how much? At that time speed is how much? 40 km per hour. Got it? So now we can tell T1 how much? We know the formula V1 is equal to S divided by T1. V is equal to S by T. So V1 divided by V1 is how much? S1 by T1. Then here T1 is equal to time is equal to S1 divided by V1. Got it? So now we can say S1 how much? 30. V1 40. That was 3 divided by 4 hour. Got it or not? This is time T1. Next case 2. Here the next 30 km at a uniform speed 20 km per hour. The next 30 km here S2 is equal to 30 km and V2 is equal to how much? 20 km per hour. Now what is formula? V2 is equal to, formula is S2 divided by T2. Now T2 is equal to here S2 divided by V2 or not. Got my point? Now S2 is equal to 30 divided by 20 is equal to 3 by 2 hour. Got it? So now we find average speed. We find average speed. Here I am writing average speed. So average speed is equal to how much? Formula total distance travel divided by total time. Total distance how much? S1 plus S2. Total time T1 plus T2. So now total distance S1 how much? 30. S2 how much? 30. T1 how much? 3 by 4. T2 3 by 2. Got it? Now 30 60. Writing here 30 plus 30 how much? 60 divided by, I am taking here LCM 4, 2 LCM 4, here 3 plus 6. Got it? Now 60 divided by 9 divided by 4. Got my point or not? 4, 3 plus how much? 6. Now 4 is coming to a numerator. Now 60 into 4 divided by 9 how much? 240 divided by 9. Got it? Now 3 here divisible by 3, that is 80 by 3. 80 divided by 3. 80 divided by 3. It is the unit I am writing here, unit speed unit how much? Kilometer per hour. Now I am writing kilometer per hour. 80 by 3 kilometer per hour. Got it or not? Here you are finding S1, S2 already given. You are finding T1 and T2 and putting in the formula. You are writing S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2 and just mathematical calculation and find 80 by 3 kilometer per hour is the average speed of the car. Got it? Thank you student. Next class we study about in this chapter regarding velocity, acceleration, average velocity, like this. Got it? Thank you.